I'm telling people how to take themselves from where they are to where they can be. And that is, if you break it down into high numbers of people, if you took a whole load of people that are starting from where they at to where they can be, and you watch everyone do that, then it's all kind of different roads, different levels, different careers, different successes, and it's amazing. So just help yourself first and foremost. What I mean by that is improve yourself, improve on yourself. Do the things that take an individual from being average or less, and do the things necessary to make yourself great or the best that you can be, which would be further than that. And then think beyond that. Think, how can you improve yourself every day? As you do that, you become a very much leveled up individual, and then help others do it. And as you do that for yourself and for others, you end up helping a wide range of people. And it all started with just helping yourself, and then going out there with the intention to help others. So start to build that energy, build that discipline, build that effectiveness, and just doing things repeatedly. And then the momentum that you build up is easy to keep going, and the effect that you have on other people just keeps spreading out and building upon all those. So I hope you do so, and it's an amazing experience at that. So enjoy yourself and start with yourself. Don't be selfish, but remember, to help someone else, you have to have helped yourself. And there's a whole lot of people who are good people, who are great people, who mean well, but they have had things that they have let negatively affect them, that they've let destroy them, or they've let take away from the person they can really be. It's time to sort out any type of problem that you have, either you're aware of or you're not aware of. I vet myself, and I am the strictest upon myself, for I know I cannot help the other people I intend to help unless I make sure that I sort out my own stuff. So help yourself, and then help other people, and just watch that train of momentum build, that it's literally at the point where it doesn't really matter what happens, you just keep going. Send that message with hope that you go out there and you put on those gloves and you just enjoy the fight. Go for it.